Dear learners, in this video, I shall explain how to construct a square root spiral but by innovative way. That is, by creating our own tool so that the repeated process can be done in a very comfortable way. So, let us start. First of all, go to the segment command like this, then draw a segment. It doesn't matter whatever the length we take for the line segment, not a problem. Then go to perpendicular line command. Then click the point and we have to take to the last point, then click the point B there. That is, we have drawn a perpendicular to the line segment AB at the point B. Then go to the circle command, that is circle with the center and radius, means we are going to input to the radius here. So click it, then centered at B, we have to click, then it will be asked for inputting the radius. So type in 1 unit, then click OK. Now go to the intersecting tool, that is here, intersect. Take the intersect tool, then click it, then click the circle and the line so that this point we can get. Now you see BD is a 1 unit. So then go to polygon command, just click it, then click at A, click at B, click at D, then click back again at A. So we got a right angle triangle. So what is the speciality of this right angle triangle? Its base can be any. Why it is so? Because I can change the base like this to any desired length, but altitude is fixed to be 1 unit. That's the speciality of this right angle triangle. Now, if we don't want this line, we can hide it by clicking the show object again. So when we click that show object again, it is already shown. So when we click it, it will be disappearing like this. But don't delete. If we delete, the total construction will be collapsed. So don't do. So again, I don't want this circle here. So right click and the same technique, show object click again. And this point also do the same way. And I don't want this label also, so hide the label by this also like this also like this. We don't want this label, it is a disturbance, so like this. Now our triangle is ready. Now we have to make up to this stage all the process as a tool. So how to do it? Go to tools, you see the tools tab, then click it, then there is a create a new tool, just click it, then you can see it is taken like this. Then segment D, segment AB of triangle polygon is loaded there automatically, and you click this triangle inside, so it will come like this. Then if we want this point D also, we can choose from this drop down this point D like this. So whatever the things we want, we can. Once again, suppose it is not there, it is not there, it is also not there. So I will start once again, go to tools, then create a new tool like this. Then output object. What is the object to be created by clicking our new tool? So that is output object. So either you can choose the things from this drop down list, but I think it is better you go to the triangle, click somewhere inside, then you see triangle is loaded. I want this point D, then you just click it. It's a very simple thing. Then input, that is automatically taken, A and B, we need not do anything. Then name and icon, we can give the tool name, say I am giving Ben tool, something related to my name, you can choose. Then tool help. Tool help means when mouse over this tool, what to do, the instruction will be there. Just we can write click any 2 points, click any 2 points, click any 2 points. That's all. Click any 2 points. Now our tool is ready. Just show in toolbar, that should be checked, and then finish. Now you see one tool got created here. This, just mouse over it, you see its name is pen tool, our own tool. Click any 2 points. Now okay, let us start constructing square root spiral. First of all, we have to centralize this axis, so just drag it somewhere like this. Then type in the point, that's better, say origin point is 0, 0. Enter it. Another point is 1, 0. That also enter it. So we got a line segment, that is the EF, that's the line segment. Now draw a perpendicular at F. So click the line segment and click F. That's all. Then take the circle with the center and radius like this. Click at F. Then input radius exactly 1 unit like this. Then again go to intersect tool. Then click the circle. Click the vertical line. Now go to polygon tool. Then click at E, click at F, click at H, then click at E. Now we have to clear off certain things. That's very simple. We don't want this vertical line. Just hide it by clicking show object. We don't want this circle. Just hide it by clicking show object. We don't want this point also. Just hide it. If we don't want this what we can say labels, that also can be avoided, as I explained already. Then our first triangle is ready for square root spiral, that is a triangle EFH with a base 1 unit and altitude also 1 unit. Base 1 unit and altitude also 1 unit. So that its hypotenuse will be root 2 unit. Then to construct the second triangle, that is upon the hypotenuse of the present triangle, we need not repeat this process again. So very simple. Go to our newly constructed tool, that is pen tool. Just click it. Then you just click this hypotenuse points. You see a triangle got constructed. Repeat the process again by clicking the hypotenuse points every time. So you see how wonderfully and in a very comfortable way we are getting the square root spiral here. So we can continue the process up to the desired level. So let me do it for some stages. Every time just by clicking only 2 points, we can construct a new triangle on the hypotenuse of the present triangle like this. And for all these new triangles, you see exactly the altitude is 1 unit. So like this we can. Then we can label the hypotenuses respectively by typing the test root 2, root 3, root 4, root 5, etc. So we can click up to the desired level as I told you, and you see it is coming again and again, but not to the original point but with a shift. That is why it is called a square root spiral. In a spiral way it will go on. Every time it is increasing the length of hypotenuse like this. We can go to any level, so it is enough. Then like this we can continue. It's a very simple thing. Thank you.